Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nabila from class PBIA. Now I want reading daily exercise from my lecture. 2. US City. Past and present. Dr. Carlos Adrian, a political science professor at the University of California at Riverside, has made a 20-year study of the problem of American city. The results are presented in a book called History of American City Government 1775 till 1870. 2. The problem of the nation, city. Pollution, crime, riots, and lack of planning. Transportation are bad, but they were worse in the so-called good old days. According to Dr. Carlos Adrian, he gives pollution mobile as an example. He agrees that it may be bad now, but he states that there was a lot of pollution from horse and other animal in American city and the country. 2. Most cities had their own slaughterhouse, where cows and pigs were killed all a cold century ago. They were careless about throwing out the remains of the animal and that sort of thing, he said, and the sewer system for waste disposal was almost non-existent. 3. Some of the problems that bothered people living in the city during that period are still with us: poor planning, problem in low income neighborhoods, police relation, and public transportation. 4. Pollution was a very important problem for city government in the last century, particularly with regard to water supplies. Dr. Adrian said they had some idea that water could be polluted, but they didn't know how. Trying to get pure water was a big problem. 5. People like to talk about the good old day, but actually, the cities of the 19th century were dirty in the many ways, filthier than today. Communicable disease was a great concern. This was the smallpox and also yellow fever, malaria, cholera, and the infant death rate was high, and there were other dangers as well. 6. It is true that people were not being killed by car, however, that often were killed or seriously injured by runaway horses. I was quite common, Dr. Adrian said. 7. Crime was a great concern then too. According to Dr. Adrian, mugging was a common then. He said, but it did exist. Pickpockets were very skilled too. Also, from the 1830s on, there were a lot of summer gatherings. That was not just something from the 1960s. There were several causes, but basically it was because many people moved to the cities from rural area. 8. Planning of city and their neighborhoods was controlled by land speculator and real estate developer who were only interested in making money. 9. Finally, Dr. Adrian thinks that the situation and problem affecting American city have not changed so much, and he suggests that we look back at the past and try to learn from it. I think enough. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.